Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Viewers Tech Finder. Today we are going to see how to link a GitHub repository with the STS editor and push the code from the STS editor directly into the GitHub repository. In the earlier videos, we have seen how to push a code through command prompt into the GitHub repository. Today we will see directly from the STS how we can modify and we can push the code into the repository. First of all, we need to create a repository. So I have already created a repository with the name arithmetic operations. Now go to the STS editor. Here we need to add two more windows like Package Explorer and Boot Dashboard. To add the windows, here on the top Windows option is there. Click and go to Show View and click on Other. Here we can see Git folder. From that we need to add Git repositories and Git staging windows. Select both the options with the help of Control and open. Here see Git staging and Git repositories added. See here no repository selected. Now we need to push the code. For that, right click on the project. Here team option is there, then share project. We need to create a local repository in our mission. So click on create option and select the folder where we need to keep that local repository. I am keeping it on my F drive. Create a new folder with a name and creating it as Git. Select that folder and finish and click on finish. Now see here in the below we got git master is the repository, local repository selected to push the code. Now these are the files present in our project. So we need to push these files into our repository. Here you can see double plus button with the green color. If you click on that, all these things were added into stacked changes. This unstacked changes in the sense the changes what we made in our project which are not committed into our Git repository. So keep this as into the stacked changes and write the commit message in the right side box here. Project added, then click on commit and push. See here we need to provide the destination details of our Git repository. For that, go to your Git repository and copy the link of our repository and paste it in the place of URL. Then automatically all the details of our repository path, the host name, everything will come. Here sometimes your user ID and password won't come. You have to enter your user ID and password and check this box, store in secure store. If you do this, from the next time onwards, no need to enter user ID and password. It will automatically fetch them. Then review. Then review again. See, from master to master we are pushing. Then click on push. See, once it is pushed successfully, it will display this message, then close. Here see, after connecting the GitHub repository, we can see after the project name that Git master. Now go to your repository and refresh. See here, the application is added, menu application. Open that. See, with the first commit project added. Now go to your STS. If I do any changes here, suppose if I am doing change here like welcome to TechFinder channel. Now save it. See here below unstacked changes. These two files are coming. To add these two files, click on double plus symbol, changes got stacked and write a commit message. Second commit and commit and push. See, second commit, this thing is added with this ID, then close. Now go to repository and refresh that. See here, these two folders were added with the second commit message. This is the way how we can work in the GitHub repository from the STS directly. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, please write it in the comment section. Thank you once again. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.